How to play Rainbow Six Siege local multiplayer PS4. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to play Rainbow Six Siege with your friends on PS4. Even though the game doesn't support local split screen, I'll show you exactly how to team up online in just a few simple steps. Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Prepare your setup. First, make sure both you and your friend have a PS4, a copy of Rainbow Six Siege, and an active PlayStation Plus subscription. Step 2. Connect to the internet. Ensure both consoles are connected to the same internet and sign it into the PlayStation network. Step 3. Launch the game. Open Rainbow Six Siege on both consoles and wait for the main menu to load. Step 4. Invite your friend to a squad. From the main menu, press R3 or go to the top right corner to open your friend lists. Find your friend and press Invite to Squad. Step 5. Accept the invite. Your friend will receive a pop-up invite. Once they accept it, you will both be in the same squad. Step 6. Choose a game mode. Now, choose the mode you want to play. Casual, Ranked, or Training Grounds if you want to play co-op against AI bots. Step 7. Start the match. Once the mode is selected, press X to start matchmaking and wait to load into the game together. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to play Rainbow Six Siege together on PS4, even without split screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.